A few more kitties just arrived. There's 3 gray ones out now. Their names are Sparkle, Silver, and Blue. Now Sparkle is going to have the blue collar on right here. That is going to be Sparkle. Then Silver has the green collar on right there. And Blue has the yellow collar on. Sparkle and Silver are females and Blue is a male. So we're going to get these 3 kitties posted. They're gorgeous. This is the first time I've met them. Can we turn that on? They just woke up. It's bright and early here. I just woke them up. So looks like Sparkle. This is Sparkle right here. She's playing. She's starting to wake up. And hi, baby. Hi. This is the boy. This is a boy. His name's Blue. His name is Blue. You are soft. You're a soft boy. So those 2 are the girls. They are extremely soft. Their hair feels sort of thick when you pet it. Just plush. Plush and soft. What are you doing? Wanna play? So we will get these 3 kittens posted here. So if anyone's looking for a gray kitty, these 3 are gorgeous. And they just arrived.